Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to build some kits for both Build a Page as well as May I Scraplift You. So I have already created 2 videos this month, 2 or 3. Building out kits is just one of these things that the way this is lining up with my She's Crafty kit, that was one video. Then I had a couple long videos with me blathering on to build out a bunch of page kits. Now we're on to Build a Page, which I'll also use for May I Scraplift You. Phew. It's just how it's going to go. So what we need to do is take a look at these goodies. I'm also going to be trying to see if, I do a Through the Rainbow series. There's so many things that we do, but we're going to make it all work. Okay, let's just jump right in. So what I had said previously with the May I Scraplift You, I'm going to be concentrating on using flare, which I know I say in every series. Just go with it. Until my flare shrinks a little bit, I'm going to keep saying that, as well as my color drawers. Now, my color drawers were largely ignored for well over a year, so they are full of all kinds of things, and I would like to get those things used and, let them get on a page because there's just no point in them collecting dust in my room. So that's what I'm going to concentrate on. Now, on my desk, I have Scrap and Happy Studio Flare. And this is the April Happy Mail kit. I'm not sure if I'll still have these when it's time to do the scrapbooking for these kits, or if I have the May one or whatnot. But I also have tons of other Scrap and Happy Studio Flare. I'm on their design team, and I can't say enough about the owner, the customer service, all of that. So that's going to get used along with my color drawers. So let's just jump into it. I am going to be using scrap room kits. Let's build three kits today. It's not going to be that long of a video as things go because these kits are already pre-built. Now, a lot of the time I don't have a lot of stuff left. This is number 21, my kit for May I Scraplift You. I don't always have a ton of stuff left because when I design with product for the scrap room, or when I design from Not Just for Boys Kit Club kits, I use as much as I want and I don't mess around with it. I just like to use all of the things. So we're just gonna go with it. It's gonna be great. If I need to bring in enamel dots, I will grab enamel dots. If I want to bring in mixed media, I always have my mixed media on my desk for the design teams that I'm on, the current mixed media. So I have stuff right in front of me that I'm inspired by. Okay, let's get to this. So I have got a piece of smooth white cardstock and a piece of desert marigold cardstock. Nice. Then all of the rest of the goodies are from Doodlebug Design Over the Rainbow collection, an adorable set of clouds. And then we've got really cute rainbows. This one's called Rainbow Wishes, by the way. Then I've got this beautiful stripe. I just can't. It's so perfect. And then the back side looks like it had giant tags, but y'all, I'll be using that stripe. We've got the cutest little piece here that has mushrooms and florals and a nice bright Kelly green. Oh, and that piece apparently was called Mini Meadow. And yeah, I have a little bit of that. I don't have a lot of this. This was a double shot kit, so there's only 3 pattern papers to be used anyway in the first time I used it. Then I've got these adorable puffies with clovers / shamrocks and some little rainbows. And I've got some die cut pieces. I've got a little tag, a cute little floral, a tab, a little chicken, a ladybug, and a tag. Now, by the time I get to this kit, when I am using it for the May I Scraplift You series, I'm going to have some leftovers from previous kits. So when I am creating for the Build-A-Page, I'm going to bring in whatever I need to bump up my kits, if that makes sense to you. I hope it does. So it's going to be fun. We're going to keep doing the thing. But I do like with Build-A-Page that all of the creators who are in Build-A-Page, guys, we all do it differently, and we do it however it's going to work for our stash, our, like, whatever we're concentrating on. This is number 22. So we all do it kind of differently. So make sure to watch everybody else's reveals and their videos. Oh, I made a shaker pocket at one time. Because you just never know. Like, you can get inspired in all these different ways. So this is Echo Park. It's springtime. This was a March 2023 kit from the scrap room. So let's just go from bottom to the top. This piece here is called Blissful Branches, a great melon, and gorgeous florals. Oh, goody, I have a full-size sheet of paper. This one's called Chirping Friends. So we've got these cute little birdies and then a nice little plaid. Got a gorgeous orchid shade here. It's called Pretty Plaid. Good to know. I've got, oh, it looks like I used a cut file, guys. I've got a I can do words. A piece of white cardstock, a nice piece of sage and wildflowers. I've got some gorgeous beehives. It's called Busy Beehive. Chirping Friends. And then this piece that doesn't get to have a name. All right, looks like we already have a shaker pocket. The sequins were not in this kit, but they are from Spiegelmom Scraps. I know that. And then I do have some enamel dots and then all kinds of little die cut pieces. So I'm sure to be able to do a title and all of that stuff without much of an issue. Now, guys, on these months that I do like a month-long series, I will not really be editing videos at all. It's just, here it is. Hope you like it because it's a lot. It's a lot to do, like the kit reveals. It's a lot to do a layout every day, editing, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you will be good with that. Ooh, another piece I make a shaker pocket. Although I don't know if I have any more of those sequins. Who knew? All right, so that is my second kit for Build-A-Page, but kit 22 for May I Scraplift You. And the reason why I number them when I do things like this is because I want to use them in order. So whatever the Scraplift is that I'm going to do. Oh, guys, I have one more piece. Whatever the Scraplift is that I'm going to go ahead and do, I just do it with what I have. Now, I mean, my photos will mostly work, but it doesn't mean that, like, I could be doing a winter Scraplift and use a spring collection. All right, so I also have this 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I've only used a couple pieces. It looks like a couple nomies and maybe a little bird and a flower. So I have plenty to use on there. I love these scalloped kind of border strips. I've got a banner, a flower truck, all kinds of things. We're going to make it work. It's going to be great. So that will be my second one. Let's get into kit number 3 and also kit 23. Oh, my Lanta. So, and I'm super excited to be able to use up lots of stuff. And guys, I love kit reveal videos. I can't wait to see what the other Build-A-Page people use for their kits. It's like, oh, it's kit build day. So I hope you guys like them. I have so much fun watching them. I'm always like, oh my gosh, I remember I have that too. So, you know, the different stash that we have in common. It's fun to me. I don't know. Okay, I'm a dork. Let's see what we have. I'm trying to move, like, you know, I like to show like papers and then embellishments. Okay, so we've got a couple pieces of a really gorgeous bright blue cardstock. I have got, this is all photo play, showers, and flowers, by the way. This is called Hello Spring. That's gorgeous. And then I have got lots of scraps. This is called In the Garden. And then, oh, I've got these cute little raindrops. I've got this piece with the butterflies and this piece called Puddle Jumper. And then, guys, total scraps. This is called Bee Pollen, this limey green. And then, yeah, scraps of scraps. So we have that. Then I've got some die cuts. I've got a tag and then just some other cute little die cuts. Sunny days. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Right now I have little seedlings I'm trying to grow. So we'll see how that goes for the garden. Bloom, I've got some fishtail banners. So we've got some good bits, right? Then I also have this sheet here. This is Showers and Flowers Dies paper. So there's some cute little boots. We've got umbrellas. We've got pots of florals and some wordy bits. And then I have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So I wonder why that's cut. Oh, I wanted to use the bottom part that was on this sentiment. So I've got some wordy bits. I've got titles, banner stuff. It's the little things in life. Beautiful. And guys, I mean, look at how cute these bees are. Now, in real life, I don't like to hang out with bees. I do like the look of the really big fat bumblebees, but yes, I puff right up when they sting me. They are not very kind to me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have links down below for the other creators that play along with Build-A-Page and the May I Scraplift You link, all that kind of stuff. And guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow with the other 2 kits that I can bring to you for Build-A-Page. Bye for now, friends.